What is a hash table?
A hash table is a data structure used in programming to store and retrieve data quickly. It organizes information using key-value pairs. Instead of searching through all items, the hash table uses a special function to find data in just one step, making it ideal for tasks where speed is important, such as looking up usernames or passwords.
How data is stored in a hash table?
Hash tables store data by converting a key into an index using a hash function. This index tells the computer exactly where to place or find the value. For example, if you want to store a phone number linked to a name, the name is processed by the hash function and placed at a specific spot in the table.
Hash functions, the core of hash tables.
A hash function is an algorithm that turns a key into a unique index. It takes any input like a word or number and quickly computes an integer. This index is used to find or store the corresponding value in the table. Good hash functions help keep data distributed evenly, reducing the chances of slow searches.
Handling collisions in hash tables.
Sometimes two different keys can be assigned the same index. This is called a collision. Hash tables use methods like chaining, where multiple items are stored at a single index as a list, or open addressing, where the table searches for another open spot. These techniques help guarantee quick data access even when collisions happen.
Why hash tables are efficient?
Hash tables are popular because they usually find and store data in constant time. This means the operation takes about the same amount of time, no matter how much data there is. As a result, hash tables are widely used in applications like databases, caches, and programming languages for managing large sets of data efficiently.